Curtains are not just piece of fabric hanging on your windows. They are one of the most powerful elements in your home interior design, and they control light, ensure privacy, enhance the beauty, and even influence your mood. The right curtain design can transform an ordinary room into luxurious, elegant, and comfortable space. But many people ignore curtain selection and they were going to the wrong choice. So, in today's video, I will explore the importance of curtain design, types of curtains, fabric choice, color combinations, latest trends, and complete price range in India. So, make sure to watch this video till end. Choose the perfect curtains for your house. So, the curtains plays major role in both functional and aesthetic. The curtains protect from your house outside visibility, especially in urban areas. And another one is the light control. You can control the sunlight easily. The sheer curtains is the soft light. Blackout curtains is the complete the darkness. And temperature regulation. The thick curtains help keep room cool in the summer, keep warm in the inside in the winters, and enhance the interior look. Curtains like frame of your windows that elevate the entire living room design. And heavy curtains can reduce the outside noise to some extent. Curtains reduce AC and heat uses by maintaining indoor temperature. So friends, now we know types of curtain designs. The sheer curtains, these are lightweight and transparent fabric, best for living rooms, alert to the natural light. The price in India, 80 rupees per meter. And blackout curtains, the thick fabric and block sunlight completely, ideal for bedrooms. The surprise in India, 300 rupees per panel. And highlight curtains, rings on the top and easy for sliding, modern and stylish. The price in India, 500 rupees per set. And pleated curtains, formal and classic look. These are best for traditional homes. The price in India, 700 rupees. Layered curtains, the combination of sheer and blackout curtains. These are due to the luxury feel. The price in India, 1500 rupees. And motorized curtains, automatic opening and closing, this for the smart home futures. The price is 8,000 rupees or going up to the 50,000 or plus. And curtain fabric types, choosing the fabric is very important. Cotton curtains is breathable and light and easy to maintain. The price is the 150 rupees per meter. Polyester curtains, these are durable and budget friendly and wrinkle resistant. The price is the 100 rupees per meter. Silk curtains, premium and luxurious look, best for the rich interiors. The price 800 rupees per meter. Velvet curtains, heavy and elegant. These are perfect for luxury homes. Price is the 1000 rupees per panel. Linen curtains, natural texture and modern aesthetic. The price is the 500 rupees per meter. Curtain color selection, now we know. The color plays very big role in mood and design. The light colors, white, cream, beige, make room look bigger. Dark colors, navy blues, brown, grey, added to the richness and depth. Bold colors, red, mustard green, create statement look. And matching rule, match curtains with sofa, wall color and floor. So curtain design trends in 2026. Latest trends, minimalistic curtains, simple and clean curtains, floor to ceiling curtains make your room look taller. Natural shades like beige, off-white and pastel tones, these are trending. Printed curtains, floral and geometric patterns. And smart curtains, voice control automation, this also trending. So now room-wise curtain selection like living room sheet plus layered curtains and light colors. This is the only budget 2000 rupees. Bedroom blackout curtains and dark shades. Budget is the 1500 rupees. Kitchen short curtains easy to washable. The budget is the 500 rupees. And kids room cartoon or colorful prints. The budget is 1000 rupees. So curtain accessories like complete curtain rods 300 rupees, child bags 200 rupees, rings or hooks 100 rupees, pelmets is the 1000 rupees. So friends, always measure the window size properly, choose fabric based on your room weights, use double curtains for flexibility, avoid too many patterns in small room, invest good quality rods. So curtains are not just for decoration.